Hi, welcome to Intervals. In this video, we'll walk you through the roll-up report and how it helps you simplify the view of your project data in intervals. A lot of reports like the project activity report display work types, rates, detailed breakdowns, but if you prefer a simplified view that summarizes the totals, the roll-up report does just that. Intervals presents your data in multiple ways, and we continue to iterate to deliver your data in meaningful ways, helping you work more efficiently. The roll-up report is a perfect example of that. Let's explore some examples with this new way of looking at your data. This example shows the project activity report viewing work completed for a specific project for a client by person. In this example, we'll look at Jaime. If you need to quickly understand the total value of work done by Jaime, instead of seeing all the details of his time tracked for each entry, the roll-up report simplifies the display into a single line item per person as shown here, aka rolling up the data. Now let's take a look at the data while viewing by task. In the project activity report, you'll see the total billable and unbillable hours by work type. Each individual time entry is also displayed for each task. So in contrast, for task 25067, in the roll-up report, you'll see the total hours and values for each task calculated behind the scenes and again rolled up into one line item. By now, I'm sure you're getting the idea of how the roll-up report works. We encourage you to explore the different view by options to see your data in ways that are meaningful for your situation. For example, when trying to get information regarding a specific client, you might want to see the total cost for each project you worked on for that client. Choosing all dates gives you the cost for the lifetime of working with this client by each project. Or maybe you want to see the different types of work you've done for a client and where the majority of your time has been spent for that client across their projects. You can do that as well. A few reminders while we're here. You can click the column headers to change how the data is sorted. And once you've created the ideal report, be sure to save it to quickly run it again in the future or schedule it to be sent to you and/or other team members at the frequency that works best with your process. Exporting the data to different formats is also an option. Again, explore and see what works for you. Intervals is really flexible, and if you don't see what you're looking for, please reach out to us at support@myintervals.com. Thanks, and have a super sparkly day.